Okay, we're out here at Ridgefield National Wildlife Refuge. And here are some tundra swans. See if we can zoom in a bit. So they drop in from the Arctic. They come down here to make some babies and show their tushies off. It's a popular thing with these guys. Look, and there's a head attached to the butt. There it is. Oh, more buttocks. Oh, let's see if I can, maybe, nope, I'm not good enough to catch them flying. But there is, wow, well, there's the ones we were looking at. And then if you go back out this way, there's a whole bunch more. It's a little early in the season, but they come down. There's tens of thousands of them. And they come in, they make some babies, and then they leave. And here are these guys. Just doing their thing. There's all these ones out here. They don't get too close to the shore. But you know, they're making babies, so they don't want to be too close to the shore.